Fall is officially here, and so are Pumpkin Spice Cheerios. So grab a box because you are going to love these 3 fall-inspired cereal mixes. Welcome to the Cereal Fix, where we mix and fix our favorite cereals. I know fall has arrived when everything is pumpkin flavored. Pumpkin Oreos, pumpkin pasta sauce, pumpkin hand sanitizer, don't eat that. Pumpkin Hostess cakes, pumpkin flavored pumpkin seeds, pumpkin pancake mix, even pumpkin flavored yogurt covered pretzels. Now I enjoy a little pumpkin flavoring myself, and that's why I was excited to find Pumpkin Spice Cheerios in the store. It's like pumpkin pie and cereal in one. What could be better? So that's why today I'll be showing you how to use Pumpkin Spice Cheerios in 3 different cereal mixes: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Please keep in mind that all of these cereal mixes are delicious. The names that I've given them are just to show the different levels of complexity. So grab your bowl and let's begin. First, our beginner mix has just 2 cereals: Pumpkin Spice Cheerios and Corn Chex. The light crunch and size of the Corn Chex complements the Pumpkin Cheerios. And the corn ingredient is very fall-like. Makes me think of corn mazes. It's simple and delicious. Next is the intermediate mix, which has Pumpkin Spice Cheerios, Corn Flakes, and brown sugar oatmeal squares. I wanted to keep the corn fall grain feeling, but decided to go to a flake texture because the oatmeal squares have a bigger crunch and chew that goes well with a Cheerio and a flake. The brown sugar adds to the fall flavors of the pumpkin spice and the corn. And finally, the advanced mix: Pumpkin Spice Cheerios, Corn Flakes, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Pumpkin Spice Granola. Now normally I'd be like, another pumpkin flavor? Isn't that a little redundant? But we are going for a taste of fall, and we want to add flavors and textures without drowning out the original pumpkin flavor. So the granola is a pumpkin flavor boost. Remember that Pumpkin Spice Cheerios are seasonal, limited edition. So grab a box before they're gone. Try one of these mixes and let me know what you think. On a previous video, I asked you to share with me your cereal pictures, and here's a few that I've received. Thank you for all of those, and please send me more. If you are traveling with cereal, take a picture and send it to me. If you're eating cereal in the great outdoors, take a picture and send it to me. If you are eating cereal in your backyard, take a picture and send it to me. If you are eating cereal and watching television, take a picture and send it to me. I really want to feature your cereal pictures in my videos. Look in the description below for all the details on how to send it to me. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe to see more of the Cereal Fix.